Open Learning UMPP can be accessed at umpp.ucm.ac.id. Firstly, you must create an account to access all modules in Open Learning UMPP. You can click Sign Up if you don't have any account, or you can click Login in instead if you have already had an account. Complete the form by filling the blanks with your email address, password, and full name. The password must be at least 8 characters long and must contain at least a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a number, and a special character. Click I agree to the term of service, and then checklist I'm not available. Get started. If you can register successfully, you will get a verification email from Open Learning. Just open it and then click Verify. And you can see it at Account Setting. This is the email status. So you must open your email. There's email from Open Learning and you can open and click Verify email address. So you can see the status of your email is verified. And then please complete your account setting. You can upload your photo and then change university details and type pekerjaan, university ID known, and then click Save. After that, you can go to the course category or back to the umpp.ucm.ac.id page. And then you can go to the course categories. You can click this button, or you just scroll down and choose. For example, I choose ilmu kesehatan and then find your modules. For example, I choose this one and then click Find out more. And click Join Now. Enter the passcode that has been shared by the lecturer. And then click Join Now. After that, follow the instruction on the modules. And this is your progress. So you must complete the modules to get a certificate from your lecturer. So, enjoy your model and please learn your model. Have a nice learning!